YouTube. Hope you have a great day today. Happy, whatever day it is for you. But I hope you guys are having a great day today. Hope you're having a blessed one today. We're about to hit a monster chest day. We're about to completely annihilate this chest workout. Get a massive pump. Yeah, let's go. Before you say, whoa, what is that? What is that? Let me show you first, all right? It's C-Bone's video, all right? It's C-Bone's video. Literally, it's him doing hamstring curls, all right? I was getting hyped up a little bit, so I was watching a little bit of C-Bone before you were like, whoa, what was that noise? Because I ain't gonna lie, that was sus as hell. Oh, man. If I didn't show you what that was, you'd be like, bro, what the fuck? But nah, man, let's get into it, bro. I'll catch you guys when you head to the gym. Let's go. Oh, my goodness.
Do they have what it takes? Are they willing to do whatever it takes? A lot of people give up.
We here. Let's go.
What's good, boys? Well, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna be doing some chest. We're just gonna warm up with some shoulder press, just the bar itself. Nothing too crazy. Go for like 3 sets of just 10, just to get some blood flow. One reason why I like to warm up my shoulders is because my shoulders is always like one muscle that just like, well, not a muscle, but it just feels awkward if I don't warm it up. So I tend to just warm up a little bit to get a good feel, see how things go. So when we do that on weight, it's a little bit easier. So let's go. Shit won't fit. Stop it, don't say that. I damn well know some of you said that's what she said. But now one thing I do want to show you guys too is like training zones. So I'll be honest, man, some of you aren't training hard enough. And after this set, we're going to do the dumbbell chest press. Let's go. I can't even talk. Like I was saying before, there's different zones of training. So right now my warm up is gonna be like a zone 1, where when it comes to like RPE, which is rate of perceived exertion, probably gonna be like a 1, 2, 3, and then from there on we gradually go up to 4, 5, and then probably last 2 sets you're seeing push like a 7 to 10. And one of the biggest things is most people train within zone 1. Most people don't really push themselves, but zone 3, zone 2 is that sweet spot for growth. So yeah, let's get into it. Chicken, what the? You can't even see me. Alright, so 75 was zone 1. Now basically we're gonna go for zone 2, and the difference maker is gonna be first one I went for 8 reps. Now I'm gonna go for 12 with 90s. Again, just to really get some blood flow, get a really good working set in, and then from there we'll probably jump to 110s and just go for reps for the last 2 sets, because I know I can get 115 for 3, so that means I can probably get 110 for like 6. And I want to do that twice. Come on, shit shouldn't be fucking heavy. Wake up, bitch, come on. Wake up. on. Push that shit, push that shit, push that shit. Fuck. That was 4-3. Absolute failure until you have nothing left in the tank. Now I'm moving the incline. I do four sets of 6 to 10. See how it goes, and nothing crazy with weight. Just keep it consistent until I can get 10 reps. And let's say I fail, and I'll do a drop set. So let's get into it. That's crazy. Okay, now we're about to go we got 2 more sets. So I failed. So we're gonna drop set where we're at. You probably can't even see it. Nope. Again, intensity matters. Remember, zone 1, zone 2. Try to be in between 2 and 3. Sorry. So I just went right by. It is what it is. We got 1 more set. We're gonna do another drop set. We're gonna go 225, 6 to 10, depending on how it feels, and drop set to 1 plate again. I'm dying right now. I know it looks like I just showered. I just how much I sweat. Let's go with... Okay, one thing I don't like to do, I don't step too far forward. I literally just stand here and I lean forward, and from there on, I drive straight down.
Fat ass black foot. Might be in Texas. I've never been out there. Me either. It's probably the first time I had that.
I ain't gonna lie, that kicked my ass. Now we're about to do dips for a little bit of triceps and chest. We're gonna do about 3 sets to absolute failure. Yeah, no. Failures are must in this shit, man. Any growth that you're willing to attain or want to attain, you gotta be willing to fail. You gotta be willing to go all the way out. You know, I always say pick one exercise that you're confident in, to go with Foreman, and go fucking balls to the wall, bro. I was about to say something I'm not gonna say. I was about to say no homo, but who gives a fuck? Balls to the fucking wall, that's what we should be doing. But let's get into the next one. We got 2 more. Yo, last one. Let's eat, man. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie to you. I didn't have enough food. I can't even talk. I didn't have enough food that I wanted to have today. It's definitely something that tomorrow I gotta come in, have more food in my system. Because I'm telling you, bro, I'm sure 30, 40, 50 grams of carbs in your body makes a huge difference. That's why I tell people, you can't cut your carbs while you're trying to lose weight. You're depleting your main energy source. Why would you do that to yourself? That's why you need to eat that shit, bro. I'm telling you. If I was extra 50, everything would have been easier. Fam, we are done, dead, tired, but not. Chest is pumped, feeling good. Chests are pumped. Everything is like in shock right now, and I feel absolutely amazing, man. Now basically not the biggest thing is we're gonna do a little bit of posing, then we out of here, man. So this is the power of weight loss, man. And these pants can't even stay up just because, like, yeah. But now chest is done. I'm really pumped. Chest is looking tight. Physique's looking good. One thing that I really want to focus on this off season is like my upper body from like here to chest area, just because I feel like on stage where it was like a few weeks ago, not a few weeks ago, a few months ago, it just wasn't full enough, right? And you may even say I was a little flat. You know, sometimes you gotta be honest with yourself. Looking back, I feel like I was a little flat towards the bottom, and that's why I wanted to really engage more of the bottom, because I feel like the bottom is actually one of my weak points. Usually, it's most people's like strongest area, because when you're doing a bench press, you don't necessarily hit this, and most people do flat bench or decline versus incline. So for me, I really want to prioritize incline. That's why I really wanted to get that machine, just so I can really build up that area, build up that shelf, so I can leave that water bottle on top. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, feeling amazing. Workout is done. Now about to get a shake, and we're out of here. Let's go.